pagdating ng mom ko and my tita who accompanied her, pagdating niya sa airport, tumilipad na yung eroplano.
Oo, para daw mabaliw-baliw si Pilita Corrales.
Grabe, alam mo, kahit ngayon, I'm talking about kinikilabutan ako, yung mga newspaper clippings, as in yung nakahandusa yung nanay ko sa sahig, yung kasing hinimatay talaga. Kasi if that happened to me, if my child was kidnapped, and then pagdating ko sa airport, come on, di ba? It was so, I don't know, I do not know the ordeal that my mom went through, and I was away, alam ko, for 1 month eh. Every day ang alam ko nasa NBI siya, kaya ang tawag sa akin NBI baby eh. Every day she would be there kasi they would be tracking kung nasa na kami.
Question.
Yes. Yes,
ano? Nung may isip ka na, hinulatan mo yung dad mo. Tinanong mo sa kanya what went through his mind noong mga panahon na yun at ginawa niya yun?
Yeah, parang I was just asking him like, Dad, why did you do that? You know, parang we are okay na, you can come see me anytime, you know. So parang sana don't do this anymore. I love you and mom, pero I'm going to stay with mom. Parang ganun lang, yung parang it was a pakiusap na wag na nating pahirapin yung sitwasyon kasi okay naman tayo eh. Kahit naman kailan pwede kang pumunta, wala namang parang kailangan Monday lang. Wala namang ganun eh. I mean, our house was open for him to come visit me anytime. So, yun, parang for me, it was more a plea from a young child to his dad. Yun.
Grabe, no?
Grabe. Sabi ko nga, pag sinapelikula yung story ng mami ko, and sabi ko, nakakaloka, no?
Pero after that, kumalma na, okay naman.
Oo. After that, wala na. Okay na. and sabi ko nga sa mom ko, ba't kaya niya nagawa yun? Sabi naman ng mom ko, alam mo, Jack, sabi niya, you were your dad's world. Parang, siguro hindi niya, alam mo yung parang maybe out of desperation or out of so much love. If that's possible, I suppose it's possible na maybe you cannot think straight, di ba? So,